Your pepper plants are about to blow your mind. Forget slow growth and empty branches. This simple mix will take your peppers from tiny and weak to insanely loaded. We're talking armfuls of juicy, fiery, flavor-packed peppers. Just this and boom, peppers everywhere. And the best part? You probably already have everything you need. Do you grow peppers in your garden? Type yes or no in the comments and let us know your favorite kind. Bell, jalapeño, banana, we want to hear it. Look, growing peppers can feel like a guessing game. One plant thrives while another barely grows. The leaves look fine, but the peppers, tiny, slow, or just not there. You water, you wait, you hope, but still crickets. You're not alone. Peppers are picky, and regular fertilizer just doesn't cut it. They need something stronger, something natural, something that gets right to the roots. But what if I told you the secret to giant pepper harvests is already sitting in your kitchen or compost bin? No fancy products. No expensive store runs. Just one fast-acting mix that peppers go crazy for. Here's why this works. Peppers love rich, living soil. They crave calcium, potassium, and beneficial microbes, all of which boost fruit production. This mix feeds both the roots and the soil life around them, making your plants stronger, more productive, and packed with flavor. You'll be shocked how simple this is. It takes less than 5 minutes to make, costs almost nothing, and works on peppers in containers or the ground. Ready? Here's the recipe that gets results. You'll need 1 handful of worm castings or finished compost, 1 tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses, 1 gallon of water. That's it. Start by filling a bucket or watering can with 1 gallon of water. Rainwater is best, but tap water works too. Add the molasses and stir it until it fully dissolves. This feeds the good microbes. Now toss in your worm castings or compost. Stir well and let it sit for 6 to 12 hours, no longer. If you can, stir it once or twice during that time. Then water your pepper plants at the base, right where the roots are. Use it once every 2 weeks. Optional bonus, strain it and pour it into a spray bottle to mist the leaves. This gives them a foliar boost, especially during flowering. Do this regularly and your peppers will grow faster, flower sooner, and set way more fruit with thick stems and deep green leaves. This simple mix brings your soil to life. The molasses wakes up the microbes, the compost adds nutrients, and the whole thing becomes a power drink for peppers. It improves root health, boosts flowering, and helps the plant hold more fruit. You will see stronger stems, more blooms, and bigger harvests without synthetic fertilizers. If you want bigger harvests without spending money, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real gardening tips and share this with a friend who's obsessed with peppers like you are. Gardening should be fun and productive. This one mix takes all the guesswork out of pepper growing. Try it once and you'll never skip it again. Just this and boom, peppers everywhere. Now go make it happen.